Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create amazing pop-ups on your WordPress website using the free Hustle plugin. Whether you want to grow your email list, promote discounts, or engage your visitors, this plugin has you covered. And the best part? It's completely free. Let's dive right in. First, let's install the Hustle plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then Add New. In the search bar, type Hustle. You'll see the Hustle plugin by WPMUDV. Click Install Now and activate it once installed. Now, let's create our first pop-up. Click on Popups and then Create New. Give your pop-up a name, something relevant like newsletter sign-up or discount offer. Once named, click Create to proceed. This is where the magic happens. Hustle allows you to customize your pop-up's design and content. You can add your text, images, or even videos. Choose a background color or image. Customize buttons and text fonts. For this tutorial, I'll create a simple email subscription pop-up. I'll add a catchy title, some supporting text, and an email input field. Now, let's set when and where the pop-up will appear. Click on Visibility and Triggers. You can choose options like Time Delay, Scroll Percentage, Exit Intent. For this demo, I'll use a time delay of 5 seconds. Once you're happy with your pop-up, click Publish. Now, visit your site and check it out live. It's that easy. And that's how you can create beautiful and functional pop-ups in WordPress using the Hustle plugin, for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.